Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing the Claim app. So as you can see, if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that helps you join class action settlements from companies that may have misled or harmed you as a customer. So as you can see, you can use select brands you purchase from, join eligible settlements, cash out once approved. So pricing weekly $5.99 and annual is $59.99. So it does have a subscription right here, guys. So let's see the reviews. So it works really well. 5 stars. 5 stars. Not worth it. Great so far. The sentence for claiming. Blah 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 blah. How is this real? I'm really not into this, guys. I don't think this is real, since you cannot just join class action settlements, class action lawsuits that easily. Plus, they're charging you to use their app, which is a bit of a red flag as well. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.